Hi, Professor Thompson. I thought it would be easier to send over a quick video. So you're not able to deploy these right now because they're showing not assigned. And it's actually a two-step process in Connect. But what you'll have to do is go into the exam. And I know that you said it looked like the preferences you couldn't change. So what you'll do is go into the exam, click here, Edit Assignment. Then you'll scroll to the bottom, continue. Here is where you can edit everything from the start and due dates and then any settings that you would like. So given that this is exam, if you would like to, change the time limit to 60 minutes, if you're allowing more than one attempt, tolerances, you can really edit these however you'd like, and you would just click into this edit button. And if you wanted to have a time limit, you would click this checkbox and put in however many minutes, scramble the questions, all of this. And so you can go down this menu here. After you edit these, please note that you can actually save these as a default setting, so it will apply to all of your other exams in Connect in this section. So you won't have to actually edit all of the preferences for these. But then you'll have to click Review and Assign. And then you will have to click Assign one more time. And you'll see here that Deploy is on, so it should deploy into Blackboard. So let me know, and after you do click the settings, the settings themselves will apply to all the exams, but you will have to click this assign in each exam. So let me know if you have any questions on that, and I'm here to help. Thank you.